from Hutchinson, Minnesota. I'm Chuck Wiltfong, president of the Rumley Allis Chalmers Heritage Center in Porte Indiana. We just had our show 3 weeks ago, and it was a good success. Nowhere near as big as this, but we're growing, and that's good. Every year we get bigger. What I brought to this show is Allis Chalmers G with a toolbox that was built at the LaPorte plant. They did several of these. We know where two are at, and I have acquired a third one. It's slightly different, but it's obviously built by the same company or same people. This does have an Allis Chalmers serial tag on the back shroud that does prove it came from the LaPorte plant. Plus, we have pictures of it in the plant. It's unique, and a lot of people find it hard to believe that it was actually built by Allis Chalmers, not at Gadsden, Alabama, where the G was built, but modified at the LaPorte plant again. And it was previously in a museum in Paris, Illinois, in Dale Haymaker's private collection, and he felt it belonged back in LaPorte, so we acquired it, and it's been in LaPorte, again, home in LaPorte for the last 5 years. And it's on permanent display at the museum in LaPorte. It comes out for the shows and to take it to the various gatherings. And I guess that's about all I got to say about this one.
You're telling me you collect Allis Chalmers G's. How many do you have?
I've got 8 G's now, and there'll probably be a few more follow me home before I'm done. I'd like to have one with each configuration. I got one with a front end loader. I got cultivators, I've got the plow, 2-row planter, sickle bar mower, and I'd probably have to look at my list and find everything I do have. But they just keep following me home, and I just can't. I hate to see anything get scrapped, so I just keep trying to find a home for them, and I think they're safe. And hopefully my children and grandchildren will continue the tradition. It's been fun, and we go to these shows, we meet so many nice people. So it's a pleasure, you know, and it's amazing how many people you find that you have stuff in common with mutual friends and whatever. So I guess you say there's never a dull moment.
Yep.
And
very good. Well, thanks for showing this to us.
All right. Well, thank you.